back to our channel. We are doing another collab.
The company is called Relax.
We got the
foot and calf massager.
So this calf and foot massager has its own remote, so you can like literally sit down and just relax with it.
And change the settings.
Change the settings.
It heats up.
It heats up. It's also portable. So you can take it anywhere. If you go on vacation, you can
take that. It. But it's very
relaxing. It's
very relaxing. Yeah, so it's very relaxing, obviously. So if you get home from work and you're tired and your husband doesn't want to massage your feet and your legs, I'm talking about you. I don't work. Or you're both too tired to massage each other, just take turns. Be like 30 minutes me, 30 minutes you. No, just kidding. But yeah, so we're gonna show you guys what it
looks like and what it does.
And what it does.
Oh. I am replacing you as a massager.
It's okay. More breaks for me.
Wow. So it has a speed, has a timer, and the direction.
So right here you have an option if you want the massager to have some heat, the speed, the direction, if you want it
counterclockwise or clockwise.
You can replace these to put them in the washing machine. That way when you feel like, they need a good wash, they can easily be washed like that. So that's very convenient because a lot of massagers don't have that option,
True.
So, yeah.
Well, not the ones I've seen.
Not the ones that we've seen, but yeah. And we got this nice burgundy color. I've seen other colors too, but it's like they knew that red and burgundy. Our car is like that. The couch is the color of this.
Our blood.
Our blood. I'm just kidding.
Oh, yes.
So after a long day of work, you guys can come home and get a little calf and foot massage.
It was a busy day at work. I need this.
Yeah.
I'm ready to go out. Let me stay home.
Especially if you guys are a little bit uncomfortable going out because of COVID. You still have to take care of yourself. And what better way to get a little at-home massage while you watch some TV or when you're on your phone, just relaxing. For those who do have kids and need a little alone time, you guys can do this when the kids go to sleep. Right?
Yes.
This guy is all spaced out because he's enjoying it.
This is amazing. Let me see. What's the limit on the timer? 30 minutes is the time.
Wow.
30-minute
Just a little close-up on how the massager is massaging
my muscular calves.
So you can see how it's massaging his legs.
Oh, there you go. That's good.
And then this is what it looks like up close when it's massaging the feet. You can see how it puts pressure. It gives pressure on the sides of his feet. I bet that feels amazing.
It does. It feels like, and it looks like someone's burying my foot.
Wow. So there's another way you can relax. Of course, you can do this sitting down with the massager on the floor, but why not lay back while it massages your feet at the same time? That way you don't have to put the machine up and down if you want to go from foot to calf, right?
And then bam, calves.
So you don't even have to move.
I mean, you kind of have to adjust it to your liking, so yeah.
Yeah, but not pick up and put over,
Damn, imagine watching the Laker game like this. Ooh. So I think almost everything has 2 different types of setting. So the settings are for the direction is this way, so I guess to the left side, which is counterclockwise, and then the right side clockwise. Yep, there you go. Yeah. And then obviously the timer is the highest is 30 minutes. The lowest, I don't know, but you don't want just 10 minutes on this thing. You want at least 20 minutes. And then there's 1 and 2. So that's the slowest speed, medium speed, and the highest speed. So this feels amazing. You know that feeling when you stop using something and you're walking around, you still feel the effects of it? Mm-hmm. That's a good feeling.
Yeah. So as you guys can tell, that massager is amazing. It is a good size. It's gonna give you a good massage, you know? Sometimes the smaller ones are not as...
you don't really feel it as much.
Yeah. But yeah, so if you guys are looking to pamper yourself and have, you know, a little relaxing day at home, I would definitely recommend this product. And also for Christmas, the holidays are coming. I think this would be great for parents.
For people that walk a lot.
Yeah, for people that walk a lot. So like, you should get it for your parents because your parents go to work and they're always on their feet. So it would be perfect, you know? Or my parents, you know? But yeah, so we are so excited that we were able to have this collaboration with Terralax.
It is a wonderful opportunity to review such an amazing product, and we're not just saying that because we usually, like we said before, like we've tried other massagers and you know, you don't feel it as much.
Yeah.
And this one is like, it has a heating pad.
It gets every little...
It has it gets every little crevices, every little muscle. And I mean, a lot of other massagers don't have a remote that I know of. You have to kind of get up and adjust it and push the button.
So this is the remote. Ooh. There you go. So that's the remote. It's pretty easy to understand.
But yeah, so this product is really good. I like it. It's very helpful. It helps you relax. It makes you feel like someone's actually massaging you. And yeah, especially with COVID going on, you know, you don't really know. I really don't trust anybody touching me, so so you know, you can just go home, sit down, put it on,
release some stress,
massage it. And then, you know, this product is really good, especially when if you have like a like a job that you walk a lot in. So it just releases all your stress and anxiety and the nerves in your foot and your feet, I mean.
But yeah, so if you guys are interested in purchasing one of these foot and calf massagers, we are going to link the product in the description down below so you guys can check it out. I'm so glad that we got this because
best believe we're going to be using it
on a daily, on an hourly. No, I'm just kidding. No,
secondly, I was kidding.
Yeah, we love massages. I don't know if you guys have seen his birthday video where I gifted him like a little back massager. This thing makes that look like a toy. It was still good though, but yeah, so we enjoy purchasing items like this because we enjoy taking care of ourselves for a change.
Yes, because we don't do that often, so.
Yeah, we don't really take care of ourselves often, so yeah. So if you guys are interested, the product is going to be linked in the description box below, their website, everything. So yeah, I guess we will see you guys in our next...
Yeah, hope you guys
enjoyed today's
video, and we'll see you guys in our next video.